So here's the home surround and bumper assembly for the new Xbox controllers, specifically the Elite. Here's the things that you guys need to shave down. Basically, you can see all the white parts where I shaved. The two places you don't want to shave are going to be the nubs here and here. Originally, I was having a problem getting this to lay all the way back into the housing. I shaved those, it went all the way back. The problem was, now it slides back and forth, and hitting one bumper causes the other bumper to pull over. So I had to get another assembly, shave off, or shave down all these little areas. It's going to be here, 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 and there's two little places depending on how high they are. What I did do is I took the X-Acto knife and opened up these holes just a little bit, and that allowed me to push it back on the nubs of the other home surround that I have. So it's on. It's that's how it looks here. Just fine. Alright, thanks guys.